the house down, piggy.
And what did the piggy say?
Can't
Hmm? Can't hear. Can't hear. What did the piggy say?
Okay, Jenny.
He said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Oh, wolf say.
What the wolf say?
Remember, house down.
He said, I'll blow, I'll huff, and I'll puff, and
I'll puff,
and
puff,
I'll blow your house down. What'd the piggy say?
A piggy say, I will both. Piggy say.
And where's Nana and Juju?
Holiday.
And how did they get to their holiday?
Okay.
Oh. And what's your name?
Yeah.
Yaya what?
Yeah, bet.
Good girl. And how old are you?
Yeah, bet.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Daddy Papa me.
Oh, Daddy got pop for you. What do you say to Daddy?
Thanks, Daddy. No. 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 No.
Smell.
No. No. Smell, Mommy. No. Daddy. No feet.
Smell feet.
God.